Good morning, everybody, and this is your Euro USD setups for today. So we are coming back to that big number of 110. We're at 110.467 at the moment. There is structure here, and there is structure a little bit lower down as well, and that is at 110.086, which basically starts getting us closer to that round number of 110. Oscillators at the moment have separated. They're still pointing down, but this to me is looking like a fairly decent flag, and we do have diversions. There's the previous swing low, and here's the current swing low. You can see the diversions on the oscillators. Weekly, we do have a big inside weekly bar, but again, we've got a big crossover of all these moving averages. And bear in mind, I've been saying it pretty much all year, this zone that we're in, it's quite a wide zone. It's sort of between 111.886 and 110 is an area of resistance pretty much the whole of 2023, and was an area of support in late 21 and an area of confusion in 2019, as well as being support in 2018. So it is a very strong zone that we need to pay attention to. Drilling down to the 3 hour, you'll see a fairly decent structure that's formed. Oscillators grouped quite nicely to the downside, and our structure to the left stays the same. Nothing changes. We are on the 150 EMA here as well, which is an interesting setup. And then on the hour, we are pretty much on structure. I don't see anything else apart from that. We'll get to that now. Pretty much where price is, I think. Yeah. So we are flirting with a level of 110.467. Just below it is 110.288. So those are two areas where we could find support. Definitely don't want to just jump in long here. We need to wait for some structure. And I would prefer on the 15 minutes, I would prefer for us to recapture the 150 EMA, which at this stage looks like a break above 110.750. That is probably the most logical setup at the moment. Don't really want to be going short. Just there's too much. We've broken through big levels to the upside, so I would expect us to find support at one of them. And it is Monday, so I don't think you're going to get much price action today. But nevertheless, if we do get up above 110.750 and we come back to test it, that would set the things up for me for a move to the upside. Other than that, we will just sit back and wait. There's too much support right below us here for me to even try and consider jumping in short. And when you look at it on the bigger time frames, the trend is still very much the upside, and my 8-hour oscillators are warning you not to try something silly, and the daily is exactly the same. So that's kind of my views. It's short and sweet today. Sit on the side, wait for structure, and it's probably only going to happen on Tuesday. Hope that helps, and we will catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.